thing. Now see this question. The figure is visible to you on the board?
Yes, sir.
AB and CD are equal perpendiculars on the base AC. Okay, base is AC. And
Yes,
AE is equal to FC. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Are the triangles ABF and CDE congruent? If yes, then by which criteria? Can you solve this question? Can you see the
So,
two triangles here and the base
yes,
AC?
sir. So, side angle side we can do it, sir.
Side angle side. How?
So first, BA we will get BA we can get one side, sir. Then A
BA?
equal to BA we can get one side, sir. Then A equal to 90 degrees, and after that AF and EC are common.
Let us take BA. This BA is equal to
DC.
DC. Is it given in the question?
No, sir.
Then how they are equal?
Yes.
Yes, sir, it is given.
But I didn't ask you, Nimisha.
Yes.
Don't try to be over smart.
AB and CD are equal perpendiculars. Yes, sir. They are equals.
So 5 times you have used no and 5 times yes. Okay, be confident whatever you're telling. It is already written AB and CD are equal perpendiculars. Equal means they are same and perpendicular means the angles will be 90 degree.
Yes, sir.
Angle A and angle C. Okay.
Yes, sir.
On base AC. And AE is equal to FC. AE is this one. Okay.
And if
This is equal to FC. FC is this one. It is not written that AF is equal to EC. It is written AE is equal to FC. So how can this side be equal?
so
If it is given AE is equal to FC, are they the sides of a triangle? Is AE a side of a triangle?
no, sir.
Then what criteria you will use? Only one side and one angle has been given as equal.
Yes, sir.
Now one more thing you want for congruency.
Yes, sir.
Then from where you will get that and how?
So if there is given, I don't know. So I have a doubt in this.
Nimisha, now you can speak up.
No, sir.
It is already given that AE is equal to FC. Apply your mind. If this has been given, means there is some logic in it. It is going
Yes,
to,
sir.
it is trying to help you, but you don't want to take any help from that, isn't it? If AE is equal to FC and FE is common, we can write
Yes,
here
sir.
now. If this is AE, then AE
Minus FC.
minus FE will be equal
Equal
to
AF.
FC minus FE. Both sides we are subtracting the same thing, means the
Yes,
equality
sir.
will remain. That means
Yes, sir.
AF
Equal
will
to
be
EC.
equal to EC.
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? Means now
Yes,
this
sir.
side is also equal to this side. So by side angle side criteria, they are congruent. And this was very simple question.
Yes, sir.
If you think it carefully and giving some time at least. Nimisha,
Yes, sir.
was that question so difficult?
No, sir.
Then if there is a statement extra given in a question, you should apply your mind that why it has been given. It means there is some logic in it. And you also know that when there is a S criteria given and then A criteria is given, it means SA, after that what comes? S only comes. So
Yes,
we knew
sir.
that SAS criteria will only be used. So we already know that this side will be equal to this side, then only it will be congruent. Now we have just apply the mind that how they are equal. That also you could not tell. I'm clearing this. You want to have a screenshot of this?
No, sir.
Taken, sir.
Now next question, Nimisha, question number 9. You have written the second one is false, true, and fourth one you have written as true, which is actually false. Objects which are exact copies of one another are called plane objects. Plane objects can be like this also, and they can be of this also. In any plane they can be. It is not written in the same plane. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Any figure and any plane can be there. So this is not the right option which has been given. Okay, all others are okay.
Okay, sir.
Next question. There are two triangles given. Okay. This one is A, the vertex, this one is B, and this one is C. This is 90 degree, and this angle has been given. Then there is one more triangle here, and this one is 90 degree. This one is angle R, this one is Q, and this one is P. Okay. Triangle, these are congruent. If triangle ABC and triangle PQR, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Name one additional pair of corresponding parts. We know that this angle is equal to this angle is
Yes,
equal
sir.
to this angle, but are these criteria sufficient to make them congruent?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Then by which criteria they can be congruent? What more we
Angle,
want?
side angle.
Angle, side angle. So
Yes,
this
sir.
angle, is this angle equal to this angle given?
No, sir.
No. Then see the question again. What it is written? Both the
AB
triangles ABC and
are
PQR are to be
congruent.
congruent. If they are to be congruent,
They
name
should
one
be
additional pair of corresponding parts which makes it congruent. Nimisha,
Yes, sir.
your answer? Anything?
No, sir.
See, I am not telling that BC is equal to QR. It has not been written in the question, but question is asked that what can make it congruent. So if BC
is equal to
will
Q.
be equal to QR, then the triangles will be congruent. That is, triangle ABC will be congruent to triangle PQR. Question is asked that which criteria can make it congruent. It is not saying that they are equal, but if they are equal, then the triangles will be congruent. Understood? By ASA rule, ASA congruency rule, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Understood the question? You have to first understand the question, what is being asked. Okay.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
And the question is very simple. Single statement. If triangle ABC and PQR are congruent, are to be congruent, name one additional pair of corresponding parts. Isn't it? That's all. I'm clearing this page. Should I?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Next one, in the given figure, there is a figure like this, then like this, and there is a common line segment. Now here it is A, then here it is B, here it is C, here it is D. This side is equal to this side is equal to this side. Okay.
Yes, sir.
AD is equal to CD, that is given, and AB is equal to CB, that is given. What are the three pairs of equal parts? Okay, now first line is given. Angle ADB. Angle ADB is this much.
Yes,
Will
sir.
be equal to CDB. Will they not be equal?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
If they are already given, if it is given that AD is equal to CD, AB is equal to CB, what are the other pair of equal parts, isn't it? Now, first of all, we have to show that triangle ABD is congruent to triangle, isn't it? Then only the
Yes.
angles will come in picture.
Yes, sir.
Triangle ABD is congruent to what?
Angle BCD.
BCD. BCD, okay. AB is equal to BC, BD is equal to BD is equal to CD. 1 second. Triangle ABD. If this tilted above, then this will be CABD, CBD. It will be CBD. See, if this one is taken to top, this C, okay?
Yes, sir.
Then this double dash will superimpose on this one, and
Yes,
this
sir.
single
Yes,
dash
sir.
will superimpose on this one, okay? So
Yes, sir.
Yes.
B and D will remain there only. Only C will be replacing A, okay?
Okay, sir.
So what does that mean? If C is on the top, means here there will be C, and B will remain here only, and D will be
Yes, sir.
here. That means
Sir.
ABD will be congruent to CBD.
Yes, sir.
Anything you want to say, Naman?
No, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
Now, if they
we
are
can, so we can take about the triangles, so then we can find that DB are a common arm in both the triangles. Then we can side angle side, so the criteria should be side into side into side.
Why? Side into side is not there. Side criteria.
Yes, sir.
We are not multiplying the sides. Okay. Means by triple S rule, they are congruent. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Triangle ABD is congruent to triangle CBD by triple S congruency rule. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, what is asked? Is triangle ADB equal to CDB? ADB
Yes,
will
sir.
be equal
Yes,
to CDB. By the if we are superimposing, you have to keep it in mind the figures when they are superimposed. Which angle will be on what? Okay. Angle
Okay, sir.
ABD is equal to CBD. ABD will be equal to CBD. That is
Yes,
also
sir.
okay. Right side. And BD is the common one. BD will be equal to BD. So the first criteria is okay. Nimisha, you
Yes,
have
sir.
chosen the fourth criteria. What was the problem in the first criteria?
So I was not able to understand the
Why
question.
was it so difficult? What are the concepts that are you are facing doubt in it? All the concepts has been cleared. I already told that superimpose them
So the
or draw
question
a
is
different.
easy, but I
Huh.
was not understand what is the question.
So first criteria is you have to understand the question and what is such grammatical any error is there in the question that you are not understanding.
No, sir.
It is also given in the figure also. What just only statement is written, then it's okay. But the figure is also shown. And they have given double dash for two sides equal, one dash for two sides equal, and one common arm DB is also given already. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So if you are confused in such questions, then it is very difficult to clear the exams. By which congruence is triangle ABC equal to triangle FED? Question number 13. 13th one, okay? Now here the figures are like this. One of the triangles is like this. The other triangle is like this. Okay. Now this one is 90 degree. Here it is double dash. Here straight away double dash is given. Here it is like this. Here it is like this. And this is D, E, and F. This is A, B, and C. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, by which congruence is triangle ABC equal to triangle FED? Means by which congruency rule they will be congruent?
So first we can take the triangle DEF. We can make it straight, sir.
Okay, let us make DEF this way. Okay.
Yes, sir.
You want to make me like this. Okay. Now, here what will come in the top side?
So top
F.
will be F,
F.
sir.
Good.
Down
Then
E. Down E, sir.
this is 90 degrees. Here also it was 90 degrees. You can
Yes,
take it
sir.
as reference. This is E, and this
And
one is
there D, sir.
D.
F. Oh, sorry.
Yes, sir.
This one is
D,
D.
sir.
1 second. This one is D. Okay. Now what to do?
So we can
Now,
see
so
that AB and FE are equal. So when we
Now
superimpose
here we
it
can
to
do
them.
like this.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now here we can do like this.
Yes,
yes,
sir.
sir.
Now, is it congruent by rule angle side?
No, sir.
Mm,
Angle
So by
side
which
angle we can do it, sir.
angle side angle? How can it be
Yes,
applied? Angle side angle.
So because when you superimposed FED and ABC, then AB and FE are common, sir.
No, no. Is it given that they are congruent?
No, sir.
It is written that by which congruency rule they will be congruent.
So can we take if they are congruent this if ABC and FED are congruent, then
AB and
if ABC is equal congruent to FED, sir.
ABC can't be congruent to FED. You are talking about triangles.
Yes, sir.
It is asked that by which congruence is triangle ABC congruent to FED, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Nimisha,
yes, sir.
have you understood the question?
Yes, sir.
Then, any idea? See, angle BAC is equal to angle EFD. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Angle ABC is equal to angle DEF. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
These both implies that angle ACB will be equal to angle
Angle
FDE.
FE.
Why? Because the sum of the angles of a triangle is always 180 degree. If two angles are
Yes,
equal,
sir.
then third will be also equal only.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Here you can write by angle sum property. Okay. Angle sum property. If you are having sufficient time, you can write 180 degree and all stories. Okay. Angle sum property rule in a triangle. So that means this angle, let us take it by 3 dashes, will be equal to this one.
Yes, sir.
Now what criteria can be applied?
Sir, ASA.
Angle side angle.
Angle side angle, isn't it? Angle side angle. Okay. So by ASA congruency rule, triangles are congruent. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Understood?
sir.
Any doubt? You can ask.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Screenshot taken?
Taken.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I am clearing this page. Then you were stuck on the question number 16. Question number 16. Two figures given. Figures make the questions interesting. So you should be 100% confident about them. It is helping a lot by these figures. This is given as 60 degree. This one is given as 40 degree. And this one is given as 8 centimeter. And here there is a triangle like this. Okay. This is 8 centimeter. Here we can write Z vertex, here Y vertex, and here it is written as X. This one is written as X. This one is written as Y. Okay. Triangle ABC is congruent to XYZ. Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle XYZ. Okay, it is already given. Find the measure of the angles X and Y respectively. What is the value of angle X and angle Y? How can we do that?
So first here, Y, it is given ABC is congruent to XYZ triangle. So here angle B equals to angle Y. So angle B will
Angle B
Y.
is equal to angle Y. How?
So it is given us. So I am taking
First,
out the.
let us draw this triangle in the way ABC has been written, so that it will make us do the answer simple. Okay? In a
So B
simple
equal
way.
to Z, C
Let us
equal
draw
to
a
Y.
triangle like this. Now see, if you are given this congruency rule, then in place of A, simply X will come. Okay? So here we will take X. In place of B, Y will come. So here we will write Y. In place of Z, in place of C, Z will come. So here we
Z.
are writing Z. Okay. Now this is how much? 60 degree. This one is 40 degree, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
And now what will be this one? Or what is this one?
So this will
Oh.
be 180 minus 60 minus 40 degree.
Then how much? You can't subtract that.
100 degrees.
80 degrees.
80 degrees.
80 degrees is the right answer. Here also we will write it as 80 degrees. And this one is 8 cm is which one? ZY. This one is 8 cm also, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now what is the question? Let us see. First of all, what is the value of angle X? What is the value of angle X here?
80
degrees.
This one is X, isn't it? This is the vertex. And Y, in what is the value of Y? 60 degree.
60 degrees.
So 80 and 60, that's all. This was the first option, Nimisha.
Sir, I have done vice versa.
Why?
So by mistake.
By mistake? No. You have used this figure in a different way in your mind.
No, sir. Here it is written 80 and 60 degree. I have first written 60 degree as Y and then X as 80 degree.
Okay, means you think that the teacher will give you 100% marks?
No, sir.
How can teacher know what you thought of? Is he having that much time to come at your home and ask you, Nimisha, how you did that wrong? Then you will explain.
No, sir.
Should I clear this page?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now next 17th question. Which of the following is incorrect? Two triangles having same area are congruent. Which of the following statement is this is wrong? But all of these are wrong. Isn't it? You have just seen the first one. The second one, if two sides and one angle of a triangle are equal to the corresponding two sides and the angle of another triangle, then the two triangles are congruent. Is this the right statement? Two sides and an angle of a triangle are equal to the two sides and an angle of a triangle of other triangle, but it is not written including. See, two sides of a triangle, let us take, and one angle. Two sides and an angle, and these two sides and this angle are equal. Okay, are they congruent?
Yes, sir.
How? By which criteria they are congruent?
Side angle, side.
Side angle, side. This is the side. And where is the angle? Two sides are there. Angle should be here now.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Then, so the statement is wrong. We have to use the statement that the angle including the sides which are equal. Means the angle should be here. Then only they are congruent.
yes, sir.
Please keep it in mind, okay?
Okay, sir.
Now the next statement is if the hypotenuse of one right angle triangle is equal to the hypotenuse of another right angle triangle, then the triangles are congruent. Can it be? Just
No,
the
sir.
hypotenuse is equal.
No, sir.
If just the hypotenuse is equal, does that mean that these two sides will be equal?
No, sir. Three
No,
things
they can be
should there.
different. So this is also wrong. So all the statements are wrong. Okay. So all of this will be
Okay,
the
sir.
right option. I'm clearing this page. Next one, 18th one. There is a diagram given. And this is the common arm among them. A, B, C, D. A, B, C, and D. These two sides are equal. And these two sides are equal. In the given figure, AD is equal to CD, already shown AB is equal to CB. Which of the following is the correct conclusion? Okay, which of the following is the correct conclusion? Here it is written, see, these two triangles are congruent, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Triangle ABD is congruent to triangle, which one? CBD? CBD. If they are congruent, means see, this angle will be equal to this angle.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that means BD is bisecting angle ADC.
Yes, sir.
BD
Yes, sir.
bisects, it divides it into equal parts, bisects angle ADC, isn't it?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
this one is true, others are wrong, okay?
Okay, sir.
Now question number 19 that you have done correctly. Question number 20, in the given figure, if AB is equal to AD, let us do that. I am clearing this page. Question number 20. The figure is like this. And here there is a common R among them, okay? A, B, C, D. In the given figure, if AB is equal to AD, this is equal to this. And CB is equal to CD, this one is equal to this one, okay? Then, will the triangles be congruent?
No, sir.
Is the triangle ABC congruent to triangle ADC?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Dhruv,
No, sir.
what is your answer?
Huh?
Huh?
What, sir?
What is your answer? Are they congruent?
So how can they be congruent, sir? There is no third side, sir.
There is no third
Like-
side.
No,
In
sir.
the
There is
triangle,
third
there-
side.
There is a third side that is common among both. So means that is equal.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Why they are not equal? Why are you so confused? Here, let us draw it 3 dash. This AC is coming in both the triangles and it is common.
Yes,
If the B is taken upside in the place of D by inverting it, will they not be superimposed on each other?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That means they are congruent by which rule? By triple S.
SSS.
Okay. Now see, if the second option you can see triangle BCA is written. Okay. BCA means we are tilting this triangle a bit. If we are writing B in the starting, so here D will come in the starting. And here C we are writing, so here this C will come here. And A we are writing, A will be placed by this. So this will be also congruent.
Yes, sir.
Triangle BCA will be congruent to triangle DCA, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Is that understood?
Yes, sir.
And what is the next option? Triangle ADC equal to triangle ABC. In the same way, if we are writing this ADC, ADC is congruent to ABC. This one we are writing on the left side and this one we are writing on the right side. If left side is equal to right side, then right side will also be equal to left side.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? So all were right. Nimisha?
Yes, sir.
All the options were right, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so any doubt in this part?
No, sir.
Raman, can you see the
No,
questions
sir.
in your mobile set or laptop, wherever it may be? Are the questions visible to you? All the questions?
Sir, you didn't send them. Sir.
Means you can see the quiz report. Is there not any option to see these questions?
Wait, sir, let me see.
Open the app and check. Nimisha,
Yes, sir.
if you don't attempt the quiz, can you see the questions? Have
No,
you seen
sir.
that?
No,
Huh?
sir. No, sir.
And what is the quiz on today's topic?
The algebraic
Algebraic
expression.
That we have gone through the topic, algebraic expressions,
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
already.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so any doubt in this chapter?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Go through the chapter, any topic that you didn't understand.
Okay,
Any
sir.
doubt in the algebraic expression? Anything?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Okay, so today we will not go further now. I'm clear because Naman has not given the quiz. If you would have given, it would have helped us to analyze what questions you have done and what you have not done, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
I am sharing you the PDF of that question paper, okay? The questions
Okay,
that
sir.
are left, that you do it in your notebook. I already told you to
Okay,
make
sir.
a separate notebook for quiz. Have you made it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Are you having a separate notebook for the quiz?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And all the questions have been written till now, whatever you have not been attempting.
Yes. Probably, sir.
Huh?
I don't know for sure, sir.
You are not sure that you have written the questions or not.
I'm not sure that I have written all the questions, sir.
Why? You should be sure. Check it. The questions that you are
Okay,
not
sir.
able to do, if you are not writing in the notebook, then there's no use of sending these questions daily to you, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
If I am making the questions, then sharing them, and then we are discussing it daily, then there should be a notebook for that to make you perfect in mathematics,
sir.
isn't it? That will solve our
Yes, sir.
issue. Okay,
Okay,
best
sir.
of luck for the today's quiz. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye,
Thank
sir.
you, sir.